Hi, this is Femi Fenojoy, your host on Maranatha Teaching Channel. Thank you for being a part of this channel. I believe and I hope that teaching we've been putting out there on the channel has been a blessing to you. If this is the case, please share it with other people. Subscribe on the channel if you have not already done so. This is a strictly teaching channel. Yes, once in a while I've put up some songs like the one for my dad, but essentially majorly what we do is to put up teaching. A lot of those teaching are teaching that I do for the channel, but also I put up some teaching that I do in churches, like the one I did in Nigeria and the one I do in my local churches. And we try not to make it overwhelming, even though I have a few number of teaching that are already uploaded that are really made private, that by the grace of God will be able to release in due season. So next year, by the grace of God, we are going to return, God helping us, with our end time event series. I've taken a break from releasing more of those teaching, and in the last couple of weeks we've done more sermons. Okay, in that season of the year, and we've tried to make it applicable what we release on the channel. So please, by the grace of God, join us in January as we resume our end time event series, and continue to pray with us. I know this is a very young, small channel. I mean, on the average, we probably have about 30 hits on our videos, but that's fine. It's worth doing it as long as it's blessed somebody. I'm definitely blessed preparing for this and teaching it, and I hope you'll be blessed. Please enjoy the season and join us in January when we resume with our end time event series. God bless you. Shalom. Bye.